Hi friends, Eric here. I'm so excited that my Stair Lift is here. Now, of course, UPS only delivers 3 or 4 packages, but you can see label right on top here that these are fragile metal equipments that they want you to inspect for damage immediately. So let me open them up and let's see what they look like inside. Pretty nicely protected with the foam here wrapping around the entire equipment. Wow, very nice. And you can see the equipment accessory boxes, and here's the chair itself. Oh, so heavy I can't even lift that up. But you can see there's someone stuck with the accessory box right here. And the chair that we'll be putting in. Look at the parts out of the box. This is the chair that's going in with the base there in that box. So it looks pretty good to me. Let me check the next one. Nicely protected. Still pretty taped up, so looks like probably in good shape. Also have the accessory here on top here, protecting what it looks like. These are brackets to secure the track to the stairway. So it's nicely wrapped up, looking pretty nice. The installation manual. And the power supply, remote control, and the key player here. And this is another heavy item. And probably among the most expensive part of the equipment. The motor itself. Looking pretty good. No major issue. Here we go. All looking pretty nice. And then I think this is part of the track already. So I wonder what the force box is. Yep. You can see here, I see what's going on. I think this is one end of the track and we need shipment at the other end of the track to put it in. So stay tuned, and once I get the other box, I'll show you guys how it will look like when I put it in.